dear, how troublesome. Sue, how is it that you can talk now? Yes, I can. Well, that is certainly good. Do not worry. We'll wait soon. Soon, I'm sure. We can talk until then. Did you just say uncle? Wait, why did you call me uncle? So soon, are those things you think make someone a good uncle? No! Again, do not call me your uncle, Suey. As I said so, I have grown hungry. I'll be back. Good, I would not take you. The forest is very dangerous. Do not venture outside of the barrier until I return.